Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB. There comes times when you need to haul what's in your garage out and about. In this video, we're checking out some trailers at the Western New York Accessory Shop. We got a lot of info to haul into this video, so stick around. First up to bat is the 2022 CARMATE enclosed trailer. This baby's big. Plenty of room inside. This trailer comes with 3/4 inch plywood flooring, a one-piece aluminum roof, 16-inch on-center studs all throughout, LED lights that come with a lifetime warranty, screwless exterior paneling, a 5-year full workmanship warranty, a 10-year PPG painted frame warranty, a 5-year spring axle warranty, and a 10-year torsion axle warranty. This trailer even comes with galvanized exterior hinges and hardware. To check out more info on each one of these trailers, I'll provide links down below in the description. Second up on our list is the 2022 Force by Forest River dump trailer. Great for hauling dirt, stone, or any other debris, plus your other equipment. It has 10 gauge walls and floors, big wall-mounted D-rings. It includes a tarp kit and a spare tire. You're looking at a 3-way combo gate. You're also looking at side gussets, a battery maintainer, and a powder-coated frame. And to wrap up, this trailer includes side-mounted ramps. If you are looking to haul some equipment around, then look no further than the 2022 Liberty Utility Trailer. It has a full wooden deck, LED lighting, a spare tire mount, and this rear ramp gate is super handy for driving your equipment right up. Powder coated and includes the Dexter Easy Luber axles. Gotta move one of your rides? Number 4 on the list is the 2022 CamSuperline open car hauler. You're looking at diamond-plated fenders, a spare tire mount, D-ring tie-downs, stake pockets, LED lighting all along the back. And this trailer carries a 3-year warranty. Last up on the list is the 2021 CamSuperline 8.5 by 20 foot split tilt deck trailer. The frame is 6-inch by 4-inch by 5/16 angle. The cross members are 3-inch channel. The fenders are diamond plated over 6,000 pound axles. The tire sizes are 235, 80, R16, LRE. The decking is pressure treated pine. And lastly, it includes LED lighting and a 3-year warranty. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's a good look at just a handful of trailer options available at the Western New York Accessory Shop. Be sure to check down below for all the links to all these trailers featured in this video, and find even more at wnyaccessoryshop.com. And don't just stop at one, be sure to check out more cool garage gear videos linked down below. If you enjoyed this video, give me one of these. And remember, if you're feeling the vibe and you want to be part of the tribe, subscribe so that way you can stay up to date with everything going on here at Garage Gear. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.